Welcome to a Systems for Dentists how-to. My name is Graham, and in this video I'll show you how to use SFD's image editing tools. From the patient record, choose the Images option from the second row of icons. Then double-click on your selected image from the left-hand column. The image is loaded, but it is clear there are a few issues with it, for example red eye. To make changes, I will select Edit. A palette of tools has appeared at the left of the screen. The arrow lets you select and move the image that you are working with. The selection tool highlights sections of the image that can be altered without affecting the rest of the picture. This can be moved around by clicking and dragging within its frame. I've deselected this area by clicking the button again. The crop tool lets you draw a box around the area of the image that you want to focus on. It will then discard the rest of the image. To get the rest of the picture back, I'll use the undo button, which lets you go back through your actions one step at a time. Red eye reduction removes the redness caused by camera flashes. I will zoom in using the scroll wheel on my mouse. I'll then draw a circle around the red areas on the eye. SFD will remove the colour from the image, leaving a more natural looking pupil. There are sliders to control the brightness of a dark image and the contrast of an image that is flat and lacks definition. The pencil sharpener applies a sharpness filter to the image. This effect is subtle, but if we take a closer look at Tommy's forehead, we can see that the sharpness button takes away the fuzziness of the image. The next row of buttons allow us to flip the image horizontally or vertically, rotate the image left by 90 degrees, by 180 degrees, and right by 90 degrees. We'll use 180 degrees again to turn Tommy the right way up. Convert to Grayscale removes all colour information and leaves the image black and white. To show how to use the Cut button, I will first select a section of the image, then click Cut to remove everything outside of this selection. Copy and paste allow you to duplicate selected sections of your picture. As seen earlier, Undo lets you go back one step in your editing. Redo, therefore, allows you to undo the undo action. To show you how the final button works, I will first save the edited image, then choose to edit it again. When an edited image is reopened, you are offered the option to revert to original. This takes the image back to exactly how it was when it was brought into SFD. I will fix the red eye on this image again, and then save my changes. Thank you for watching. For more videos and FAQ help guides, please see our website. For other inquiries or support requests, don't hesitate to call